and it is a combined and the united resolve to do all the things for the growth of our beloved institution. So it is also an endorsement that we are all together in our journey for excellence. In our journey, as just now Mr. Muralidhar, Murali Manohar has mentioned, to achieve greater heights in the performance of the bank and take the bank to next orbit of level of growth. It's also a period of celebration. This town hall meeting also needs some type of little celebration, and I am very happy that you have also made it a part of the celebration. So where serious discussion and serious resolve is done, at the same time you get energized, you get little motivated, and you will little sharpen yourself with the light certain cultural and other activities, along with some recognition, appreciation, all have been brought. Because the celebration is also needed in terms of preparing and equipping ourselves to take the current challenges and achieve the desired goals. Because celebration is also, as I mentioned, that it will also lead to a firm resolve and also a strong confidence building in our mind, and reach out what exactly we are all made for. I am always a believer that each one of you have got this beautiful opportunity of living as a human being with a purpose in our life. We are not come just like that, or we are not. There is a definite purpose that God has given to all of you. Having given that purpose in your journey, you have joined Indian Overseas Bank, and the bank has also been kind enough to find out that quality in you, and all of you, because of your uniqueness means your individual self abilities and also the future potential, you are all able to get into the bank. I am saying even for me or for any one of you. All of us got, because among the large number of people, few only succeed and they get into the bank. So having taken the job in the bank or getting into the bank and becoming a part of the larger family of IOB, you have a larger responsibility, you have a larger role, and you have to embrace greater and greater effort, and you have to prove to the organization, prove to yourself and to the organization that the uniqueness of you, that individual qualities of you always remains fresh, and it is being used, and it is bettered, and it is increased towards the growth and of yourself, your colleagues, our larger family of customers, and also the economy, and along with that our institution, the bank, gets crowned. So in that respect, there is a need for all of you to continuously have an evaluation, continuously have a SWOT analysis, the strengths and weaknesses and threats and opportunities. Similarly, as we write the balance sheet of the bank, it is a truly reflecting your aggregation of your efforts. Balance sheet is not merely is an accident or it is just like that. Balance sheet is the byproduct of your efforts. So if balance sheet of the bank is not good, the entire responsibility also goes to you. If the balance sheet has been good, the entire success also goes to you. You means all of us. We are the first beneficiaries in this process of building of our institution. And the bank has also been always forthright and having a larger heart in providing quite a number of opportunities for your self-recognition, self-placement, quite a lot of equipment, your training, providing ample space for your self-development in terms of financial and non-financial facilities. The bank has been always, it is other than the certain fixed things, variables, and quite a lot of things have been given. So that's why we are all mostly what you call, we are so much affiliated, or one type of gratitude we are having towards our institution. And that gratitude needs to be kept up with equal contribution. So if there is a, and also the fact, as we mature in our journey, our responsibility and our role play also goes larger. And we are not only to take care of ourselves, we have to take care of, as rightly mentioned, we have to take care of our elders, we have to take care of our juniors, and we have to take care of our bank.